Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
Do you ever think it's creepy, asks Lance Seidman during the live TLDR broadcast, the Walker Gnome Daily Report, doing it live on YouTube every weekday at 3 p.m. Pacific, that people care so much about what strangers have, or do you think social media has made us those unique peep show lovers? Social media is interesting. We can share so much about our lives, but let me just give you a warning. Keep something for yourself. If you don't own what it is that you're sharing, don't share it. If you're talking about your parents and you haven't told your parents that you're going to be talking about your parents and sharing that information with the world, don't. Get your parents' permission. Get your girlfriend's permission, your boyfriend's permission. Get whoever you're talking about. If you don't own 100% of that, get their permission. But looking into somebody's life, it's really kind of scary to me seeing how much some people share about themselves. And that's dangerous because there are some idiots out there, trolls. Luckily, our community doesn't have any trolls who will attack you for no clear reason. Who knows why? But when you put so much of yourself out there, that's exposing a lot. You are exposing your belly, and you're going to get punched. So if you are using social media, whatever tool it happens to be, YouTube, Facebook, Google+, Twitter, doesn't matter. If you're sharing things about yourself, keep so much of that to yourself. You don't have to share everything. And for goodness sake, if you are, with somebody and it's not immediate, don't do this. I mean, I can be guilty of doing that at times when, something's happening, they step away to go to the bathroom, and then I get on to check something. This is important, but maybe not as important as what or who might be in front of you at the time. It's not so important that you need to tell your tens of followers, even thousands of followers, tens of thousands of followers. Is it really that important that you need to tell them right now? Just think about it. And if you do share things about yourself online, please, I just ask you, keep some things to yourself, for yourself, especially if you're in some kind of relationship or you're just talking about some kind of relationship where the other person, whether it's, an intimate relationship or a familial relationship, if you don't have their permission, think twice before you share it. It's the right thing to do.